guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove a WordPress brand logo like this one here. Like if you want to log in now, this is what you're going to see. When you see this form, you now see WordPress logo, and this means that when you have this, your site will be easy to identify. Okay, but if you change this, it will not be easy to identify as a WordPress website. So I'm going to show you how to change this, like this one here. Okay, I changed this one, so I'm going to show you how you can change this. Okay, now let's get started. I have to log into my dashboard. So I'm on my dashboard now. So what I'm going to do is to install the plugin that I'm going to use to remove that brand logo. Okay, that WordPress brand logo. So I'll go to plugin and click add new. Alright, so here I'll search the name of the plugin, remove WP branding. Okay, so I'm going to search the plugin here. Here is the plugin. Okay, this one. So what I'm going to do next is to install the plugin. So I'll click on install. After the installation, I'll now click activate to activate the plugin. So I'll click on activate. Alright, I have successfully installed and activated the plugin. So let's configure the plugin. Look at the plugin. So I'll click on it. This is remove branding, so I'll click on it right now. Alright, so here that says hide WordPress logo, yes, you have to tick this, you have to tick mark this. Okay, so here that said hide WordPress admin bar new menu. If you like, you can tick this, but I'm not going to select this one. Okay, so I will scroll down, I'll tick this, then scroll down here to change the logo, the brand logo. So I'll click on choose image. Okay, so I'm going to select the image from here. I'm not going to use this one. Let me use another one from my system. Well, let me use this one. So I'll click here. But if you don't know how to do it and you want to upload a logo from your system, just click upload files, then select it. Just click select files. Okay, so I will select this and click open. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe right now by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So I'll click select. Right, so I have selected it right now. The next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down and click save changes. Okay, click save changes. So I have saved my settings. Look at it here. So let me log out and show you. So I click on log out. Can you see this is the logo I choose? So there is no more WordPress brand logo here. Okay, so this is how you can remove the WordPress brand logo. If you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button below, then turn on the notification icon so that you get notified anytime I release an update. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.